Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the Monster S300, I think is what they say, S300 portable Bluetooth speaker. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one out here. See if I can open it up with just my fingernail, which is lacking. Oh, it's a razor blade. A razor blade that's not sharp. Okay, so here we go. Let's check this out. Connect. We have some instructions. Looks like they're going to be in English on that side and Chinese on the other side. We have a couple of connectors here, so hopefully I can connect it up to my bicycle, which is the idea here. So it comes with, the little thing that'll wrap around your handlebar so you can connect it up to your bicycle. And it's got some little rubber inserts as well. So depending on how thick your handlebar is, you'll be able to connect it to that. We have a USB-C charger for it. And then we have the speaker right here. So this is it here. It looks like it comes with a little dock, so I could probably take it out of there. Yes, so here is the little dock. So this dock, so once I put this onto my bicycle, I can just slide this on here, and that's how it'll hold onto there, and then this will go into the dock, so I can take it with me on and off. Yeah, let's see what we got here. We have, it looks like it's got a good little loop on it as well, so I can hang it from my backpack. It's got a little thing here, so you can put one of those little wrist straps if you really wanted to on there as well. Probably don't need that if you've got this. Okay, and then we have that power button, looks like on this side. And we are powered up. Oh, it lit up. I think that's what this one here is too, is different lights going on there. And then we have the volume, looks like pause and volume up and down and pause. So, okay, so we wanna go and connect this up. Let's see if I can connect to this phone here that is an old phone that I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me try to connect it. It's not even on Wi-Fi. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got it connected. It just connected up to something called the Monster 300. And I tried it out and played a song. I can't play a song for you because it'll have a copyright violation if I do something like that. But I can play with my Mac Mini Neil. Sorry, I can't get it too far away, but you get the idea. And it sounds great. And that's the volume up there. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a try. It gets really loud and it's good. And it's got the little light button here so I can change the different lighting effects if I want. Or I can hold it down and shut off all the lighting effects so I take it all together. It's really nice little convenient speaker, so I can just leave that, and it seems durable, and it'll hook right up to my handlebar or onto any pole of anything you really want to. You can probably hook it up to a golf cart or whatever, and then just snap snap it into place, and it kind of connects up. I don't know, now I've got to snap in. That's what it, that's what those holes are for, not for a handle. It's for connecting up into this thing. So they connect right into there. And so that's what holds it into place. So there, now it's held into place and not going anywhere. And then I have to pull it apart to get it off. So there you go. So that is it here. This is the Monster 300 speaker, and it is really nice. I'm gonna say this one here is gonna be used a lot. Take it to the beach, take it anywhere. So totally good. Thumbs up.